Hi, I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com. Let us turn your saw into the ultimate cutting machine with our performance line of Qsaw blades. The Qsaw Pallet Dismantling series was designed for the high production cutting in the pallet recycling industry and are manufactured and sold direct from Sawblade.com to save you money. Our 14-inch 30-tooth pallet blade features a premium-grade carbide with an ATB grind to allow for reduced snagging and fast, efficient rips through hard and soft wood. Our Qsaw blades cut straighter because they have laser-cut bodies rather than stamped, which results in less distortion, delivering a truer square blade. It also features industrial brazing that creates an extra durable bond between the teeth and body of the blade. The 14-inch 30-tooth pallet blade is ideal for high production cutting and fast feed rates where a moderate finish is needed. Sawblade.com has an extensive line of sawing products, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.